Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be replacing the headlights and bright lights in our 03 Lincoln Town Car. Your regular lights, take the H7s, and you do want to get the halogens. Do not even attempt to get LEDs because they will not fit, and I'll show you why in a little bit. And then when you replace the high beams, you're going to be looking for the 9005s. You can put LEDs, however, in the high beams, and I will show you why. So, first order of business is we need to remove these deals which hold this piece of trim on. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just simply unscrew and then pull, and then we'll be able to remove this. Next order of business is going to be 3 screws in here. Can't fit that one in there. Have to use a screwdriver by hand. Or an 8mm. And then from there, you unplug this guy, as it is the electrical connection. For the headlight. Okay, and with all those removed, that unplugged, there's one little tab right here that holds this in, so you will have to push down and then kind of pull. I will have to set you down to do that, but there we go. Okay, and then with the back exposed, you could probably use a straight screwdriver. It looks like there's a notch in there, but the T25 Torx is what I'm going to use. And now you can see, because this, when it goes on here, it ain't very deep. There's just enough clearance for this. So you'll have to put your standard halogen bulb in there. So you try to do something silly, it ain't gonna fit. Easy as that. Go ahead and slide her on back in. Make sure this pad locks in place. Plug the connector back in. And before we go tightening in, we will check our work to make sure that our regular lights and the HIDs that are in the high beams work. So let's find out. look like they're working. Bright blue high beam and a regular low beam. These are the regular ones on this side, so we'll go ahead and swap those out to the same deal we got going on over there. But it's the same process, so no need to film it. If you want to know how to change your bulbs, that's it. If you want to know why you can't use LEDs, that's why, because they ain't going to fit. There's a big old fan hanging off the back of the LEDs. They'll just bump into that case. It'll be a no-go. So, alright. That's how you change headlights and high beams. 03 Lincoln Town Car. And, of course, just for you boys, we're coming back out in the dark at night just to show you the headlights. We'll do headlights, then the high beams, just to show you the diff. And from the side, headlights only. And in case you're wondering, well, what does it look like when you're in the car? So lights off, parking lights only. Headlights. High beams. There you have it, boys. Thanks for watching. Peace.